Winter break is on its way, and parents, you need a game plan. Now, I get it. Keeping your children entertained while juggling work and other responsibilities can be a monumentous challenge, but you don't have to do it alone. There are thousands of amazing free resources here to help you make these winter breaks engaging, fun, and still educational. Today, I'm going to share with you fantastic ways to keep your child occupied while still learning all the while. These ideas will not only keep them entertained, but building skills that will help them throughout their entire life. So without further ado, let's get started. First up is DIY craft projects. Crafting is a great way to bond with your child while building their hand-eye coordination skills. Now, the options for activities are truly endless. Slime tutorials, birdhouses, bookmarks. We have a whole list of them available on our website. But the main goal is always getting the child in touch with their own creativity. Try to theme these crafts to your child's interest. If little Timmy is obsessed with dinosaurs, try and make some dinosaur-themed play sets together. This will ensure that they're actively involved in the whole process and make them excited to keep doing it. Plus, at the end, you have a tangible item that you can display and the child can look at for a sense of accomplishment and self-esteem. Next up, all you need to keep your child engaged for the entire day is the photo app on your phone. One of the best things you can do is set up an outdoor photo scavenger hunt. The idea is simple. Take them to a park or even your own neighborhood and give them a list of things they need to find pictures of. This can be everything from caterpillars to a cool-looking leaf. From there, let them loose. They'll be able to explore their neighborhood and start to identify animals, sights, and maybe make some friends along the way. If you want to take the lesson even further, try downloading the app iNaturalist. We have a full explanation of everything this app is capable of over at smartbubblegum.com, but the way it works is you take a picture of an item, an animal, or a plant, and it gives you a whole history of the animal or plant, and it gives you a detailed description of what it is, where it can be found, its scientific name, and fun facts. This is one of the best ways to teach children about animals. I know, I've used it on dozens of my students, and it was the first time I've seen them excited to learn. So I cannot recommend it enough.